Join me as I prepare vegetable okra soup. So here is my oil. I added my fresh pepper to it. So I'll let it fry a little bit to avoid the odor, as in for the odor of the pepper to fry out. So here's my okra. I add my okra to it. Add my okra to it. So I'm going to mix the okra very well and the oil. I'm going to combine it very well to be for the oil and the the okra to mix very well. So my okra, I panned my okra. After cutting my okra, I now panned it. I panned it a little bit. I gave it a rough pounding, not too much pounding, you get. I gave it a rough pounding. I added a little water, then I panned it. That's how I like my okra. You understand? This is me trying to combine everything together. Okay, I've combined everything together. So I added my little stock water I have uh, inside. So I'll combine it. You can see I add my little stock water and combine everything together. Then I had two mango inside. Then here is my periwinkle and my crayfish. I had it inside. I love periwinkle and crayfish inside draw soup or okra soup. So I have to turn it very well. Here I'm adding more water to it. Why? Because I'm not cooking it for only myself. I'm cooking it for 3 people. You understand? So I want it to be a little bit drawing. Like, I don't want it to be very thick. You understand? But if I'm cooking it for myself or a client ordered for it, I will cook it very, very thick. But since this one is for the house and we are more than 3, yes, I cook it for it to be much. I add more water for it to be much. You can see I have my 2 Maggi cubes. I add 2 Maggi. I don't add more than 2 Maggi. You understand? I add 2 Maggi cubes to inside to the soup. You see the second one, I had 2 Maggi. Then I had a little bit of salt. I don't add much salt, sorry. I don't add much salt. I had little salt to it. So I'll add a little water. Here it is. I add a little water. Then I combine it. I stir it together to make sure it goes in well. I stir everything together to make sure it goes in well. So that lets some parts will not be sweeting salt, and some parts will be tasting raw. You understand what I mean? So you have to stir it very well, combine it very well, so that everything will goes in well. So here's my soup. It's cooking. Look at it. Tada! This is my soup. Okay, here is it now. The soup is boiling. Is boiling. You can see it's still slimy. Most people don't know that they used to fry okra. You understand? Okay, here is my vegetable. As you can see, the vegetable, I've washed the vegetable. I bought it from the market. I sliced it myself. I washed it. I let the water to drain out from inside before adding the vegetable to the okra soup. You understand? Yes, the fry okra. You can fry your okra, but don't fry it too much. Just the way I did it. I did my own now. You can fry it. You can equally cook it normal. You understand? So whichever way you want is better. But for me, I prefer frying my okra. You understand? So I combine the vegetable very well. This is me adding my onion. I like adding my onions at the tail end of my of cooking my okra soup, because I don't like my onions to be overcooked. You understand? I don't like it to be overcooked. You get? So this is me after adding my onions. So I'm going to let the soup to cook for a bit. Okay, then this is my fish. I use scobia fish. This is me adding my fish and little water from this from the fish, little stock water from the fish, you understand. It is my fish. I've steamed it with salt. I wash it, I steamed it with salt. I threw that first water using to steam the fish first. I threw it away. I don't like adding it to the soup because the odor of the fish, so that it will not enter the soup. It will be the odor of the fish, of this ice fish, you understand. I don't like it, so I always wash my fish, steam it a little bit, then I throw that first water away before I steam it again with little water. I'll now steam it with liquid water. So I've steamed the fish, I've put inside the okra soup, so I'm going to let it cook. As you can see, I'm trying to combine the okra and the fish so that the okra will goes in well inside the soup. So here is my soup. So we are going to let it cook for just 1 minute. Yes, just 1 minute, so that it will not be overcooked. Okay, here's my vegetable soup, vegetable okra soup. Ta-da! Hope I tried. So here's my gari I'm going to use to dig in. Thank you.